spread the positivity around, and the world will be a better place. And it kind of focuses around the birds, how you should smile like the birds because they get along in order to survive. Smile then.